Dare to be Happy is back. I'm Nemiriano Jr., messenger, writer, and speaker, and I'm going to reveal to you the secrets to achieve more prosperity, abundance, and happiness in your life. And today's message is, no one will do it for you. And if you're tired of watching time pass by and feeling like your life is stuck, that everything is always the same, if your life is a cycle of repetitions and scarcity, if you no longer know what to do to achieve the life you deserve, if you're tired of feeling a pang in your heart every time the alarm goes off because you can't stand going to work, submitting to your clueless boss's demands, and enduring your colleagues, if you want to start a new life with more freedom, prosperity, and time for yourself and the people you love, and you don't want to be a failure or a burden to your family anymore, and definitely overcome the problems and sufferings caused by debts, scarcity, and financial difficulties, watch this video until the end, because what you're about to hear is very powerful. Pay attention, because I had to make several mistakes to learn, and today I can help people like you unlock their lives without you having to go through everything I went through. And if you like the idea, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel by clicking on the red button next to it, and hit the bell icon, because I don't want you to miss the next videos. The truth is that we waste a lot of time doing the same things everyone else does. Studying, getting a job, getting a house, having children, and waiting for retirement to try to be happy at the end of life, without being sure if we'll live until then. And faced with so many demands, pressures, and frustrations, believing again that you will achieve your dreams seems impossible. But if you do it the way I'm going to tell you here, you'll see for yourself that it works, and that you can also have the same results I had. First, it's essential to understand that no one will do it for you. No one will come to push you towards success. No one will show up to take you away from your phone or stop binge-watching Netflix series. No one will be there to encourage you to start a diet or exercise. The sooner you understand that no one owes you anything and is even less responsible for your happiness, the sooner you will transform your life. The rule is clear. It all depends on you. When you're a child or teenager, your family, guardians, and society as a whole will be responsible for you and will show you how life works. But after you come of age, know that everything will be up to you, and all the bonuses and burdens will be exclusively yours. And it's worth remembering that adult life doesn't come with a manual. Most things you'll learn from your own trial and error, or from others' mistakes and successes. You're busy waiting to feel like doing something. But guess what? That feeling may never come. When you were a child, your parents made you do things you didn't want to do. And you know what? That doesn't change. Even when you're good at something, there's always another task waiting. I talk a lot about this in the second part of the book, Money Magnet, about how we make decisions. It's not about what we know we should do or our goals. It's about how we feel at the moment. Feelings call the shots. That's why parents are so important. Left to their own devices, children skip everything, from school to table manners. That's where parents come in. But here's the thing. When you reach adulthood, you're responsible for yourself. You'll never feel like doing what needs to be done. You have to motivate yourself. You have to be your own cheerleader. So, what's the conclusion? No one is going to come riding on a white horse to save you. No one is going to tell you what to do. It's all up to you. And unless you understand that and learn to motivate yourself, your dreams will continue to be just dreams. It's not in our DNA to act otherwise. You weren't born that way, and you won't magically change when you become an adult. But here's the beauty. Once you accept that, you are free. You realize that you will always be the one pushing yourself forward and in control of your life. When we feel stuck in life, we feel alone, unsupported, and lost, not knowing which way to go. Being part of a community that supports and guides us practically helps us find the answers we seek, overcome our problems and difficulties, and transform our lives. When I discovered the power of community and found people who like and talk about the same things as me, who are overcoming or have overcome the same problems I'm facing, it was transformative in my life. If you want to be part of something bigger, a community that welcomes and supports you. Join the Dare to Be Happy community here on YouTube. In addition to supporting the Dare to Be Happy channel, you'll have access to exclusive member content for less than the cost of a snack per month. You can experience the community by clicking on the link I'll leave pinned in the first comment. The community is the easiest and fastest way to access exclusive content created by Nemiriano Jr., who has already helped transform the lives of thousands of people. The link for you to join the Ooze Ser Feliz community is here in the first pinned comment on this video. Join us in the Dare to Be Happy community and discover a new way to be happy. Another big secret is to open yourself to new experiences. Comfort zones can be an obstacle to happiness. Dare to venture into unknown territories, try new activities, and meet different people. Life becomes richer and more rewarding when we're willing to break out of our routine. Remember, the journey to happiness is unique for each of us, and there's no one right path. The important thing is to persist, be kind to yourself, and never give up on the right to be happy. Let's dare to be happy together and turn every challenge into a victory. And before I tell you another secret to unlock your life once and for all, I want to tell you something you'll never forget. Every time you notice your life turning into chaos, ask yourself, what have I been thinking, saying, and doing that could directly or indirectly contribute to all the bad things I'm experiencing? It's not to judge yourself, it's just to become aware of what might be causing what you don't want. Okay, after reflecting on that, ask yourself, what new reality do I want for myself? And activate the 3 superpowers for creating this new reality: your thoughts, your words, and your actions. And soon, I'll reveal the main secret I said I'd save for the end of the video, because I really want to help you. But if you don't do what I'm going to say at the end, there's a good chance you'll make the most common mistake of people who fail and continue to suffer. So pay attention. To achieve everything you truly desire, you need 1. Align your thoughts with what you want. 2. Repeat several times a day what you want. Clearly, the tip is to start the sentence with "I am so happy now that," and put your desire. And keep repeating "I am so happy now" plus every detail of what you desire. 3. Act as if you had already achieved your desire with what you can do now. Now I'll reveal another secret to unlock your life once and for all. And if you're here in this video, it's because you want to transform your life and be happier, right? And you already know that the best way to do that is by being a money magnet. Now I'm thinking about what more I can do to help those who are in the same situation I was in. And thinking about it, I created the book Money Magnet: How to Attract and Keep Your Fortune. In it, I tell everything I did to transform my own life, with practical and easy examples that will show you how you can achieve everything you truly desire with the law of attraction. But since it's almost my biography, where I also expose the many mistakes I've made, my intimacy, and everything I've tried and failed at, I don't know how long I'll keep it available, because not everyone I want to read this book. And just for the first 30 people, I'll give away the practical and exclusive map to accelerate your results, a true shortcut for you to feel your life transforming in the first 7 days. But remember that this is only for people who are truly committed to their life transformation. And it's very simple for you to do this. I know you can't stand the life you're living anymore, and it's time to change. And all of this, I also show you in practical content, which I'll leave in the first comment of this video. It's very simple and quick. Click the link and sign up, because there you will learn how to unlock your prosperity, achieve everything you desire, and the life you truly deserve. But hurry, because I don't know how long I'll keep it available. Have you ever wondered why some people, with even less knowledge and sacrifices than you, have more results and better ones than yours? The answer is simple. They dared to be happy. When you learn how this works and apply it correctly, everything will change in your life. When I understood this and decided to apply exactly what I show you here, my life began to change completely. And that's exactly what I'm revealing. so that you can also unlock your life. Now imagine that you discovered a simple step-by-step process to take control of your own life, and that you can start right now. Amazing, isn't it? Just click the link, sign up, and take advantage of the chance you have to change your life, help your family, and the people you love. And if this video helped you in any way, and you really want to transform your life and be happier, subscribe to the channel now, because I want to help you even more. Now I want to hear from you. What are the problems you're facing that are holding your life back? Tell me down here in the comments, because based on your answers, I'll make new videos to help you even more. Or simply comment #DoritoBeHappy, because I want to know that you watched the video up to this point. If you want to know more about this subject, there's a playlist here on my channel made especially for you, where I show the secrets of how to unlock your life, achieve everything you want, and be happy. It will appear here at the end of this video. Just click and watch right now. Dare to be happy. Big hug and see you in the next video.